Alright, so we have negative 5, comma 0, comma negative 25, comma 1, comma negative 2. So our task for today is to arrange this a series of integers. Arrange this in ascending order. Right, again, this is negative 5, comma 0, comma negative 25, comma 1, and comma negative 2. Okay, so if you're aware of the number line, if you're aware of the number line, and if you're also familiar with the integers, okay, so this problem is easy for you. All right, so here in this problem, it must be in ascending order. So from lowest value going to highest value. Okay, so ascending order. Okay, so what is the lowest value? Okay, here. So again, we have negative 5, 0, negative 25, 1, and 2. So here, the lowest value is first negative 25, right? Okay, next negative 5, next 0. Those number at the right of 0 is or has the so-called higher value or bigger value. So those numbers that is in the left side of 0 when you are in the number line, so those are least value. So 0, then followed by, oh, I forgot. So I'll rewrite this one. I'll rewrite this one. I forgot the negative 2. So negative 25, negative 5, negative 2, followed by 0, and followed by 1. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this order is arranged in ascending order from lowest value going to highest value. So that's it, guys. So this is arranging from lowest to highest value or ascending order. Okay. So be familiar with the number line or also with the integers, those negative value and positive value. Okay, so 0, okay, can be a negative or a positive, or that's it. So that's the properties of 0. So he is in the middle value. All right. So thank you and hope you like this video. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe for more.